Eventually, if the Supreme Court says that no, get that disposed of and we'll decide it together, so be it. But if Supreme Court takes it that this being a point which should be decided first, which your lordship also thought should be.
Yes, because
Absolutely, absolutely. We
this was a
completely bow
matter
down.
going to the jurisdiction
Juris,
of the court, so
absolutely.
that is why I
Right to
felt because I stopped
whether
that
the
in
sue
the midst
survive.
of the hearing.
Absolutely,
I took
absolutely.
up the. I gave you both of you liberty to file
Correct,
appropriate applications, and I
correct,
took up that. And I
correct.
only heard the applications because that was only heard, and I've only
Absolutely, absolutely.
passed orders on the application. I've not touched the
Correct,
appeal.
absolutely,
So
absolutely.
My Lord commenced with the hearing of the appeal. My Lord commenced with the hearing of the appeal. My Lord, I made my opening arguments.
that is, Mr. Chaturvedi, I am aware of those.
Yes,
You have
yes.
made your submissions. Mr. Bose has also, I think, made
Yes, yes, yes.
submissions for part of a day or
Yes.
one day.
And next day that when we sat this,
Day he took up this point. So
yes,
it's
this
not
came up.
that Mr. Bose is also not disputing that
No,
the
I'm not.
submissions
No,
of
no,
the
no,
merits was
no.
made.
No.
But now any party, Mr. Chaturvedi, has a right to.
But in the teeth of the directions of the Honorable Supreme Court, which came at
That
their
is what
instance.
I am now thinking what should be done.
No, because that's what I'm saying, my lord. Your lordship can record that there's a direction. So, and then, my lord, since this matter goes to the very root.
Please give me that order of the Honorable Supreme Court.
Yes.
Do you have a copy of it?
Yes, I do.
It must be in the records also, but
Yes, it is. It is. It is. I'll just give it to you, lordship. Kindly give me a moment.
to order file to please everything.
My lord.
After this order was pronounced, later बोले अटर thank both of you because you have made exhaustive arguments, and this was also an interesting issue.
Right.
Also, because this is
Next
also
part
an
is
issue.
more interesting.
Uh, so, considering the nature of the issue, I think if any party wants to challenge,
Right.
it should be given a right to challenge.
So at least this issue will come to an end,
Because
and then we can.
maybe, and if it is decided in their favor by the Honorable Supreme Court, the appeal,
We will not come back to my lord. Then we will not come back to my lord.
yes.
So the entire exercise which Mr.
That's one way
Chaturvedi
of
is
looking at it.
contemplating
The other thing
to be
is that
undertaken will become futile.
I leave it to you.
Yellow. But I want to thank both of you for valuable assistance. For
Lord,
deciding.
our gratitude to my Lord for patiently hearing the matter, my Lord.
And my lord, deciding an issue which there is no direct answer to this issue.
Now, in the times of technology, my Lord, we did not find anything which directly, my Lord, assists us on the issue, except for by inferences, my Lord possibly, my Lord, decided the way that my Lord has felt. So it is an issue that my Lord has decided for the first time, we would say.
Thank you.
I'm
Yes.
grateful to him.
This matter, I will put the petition on my after relative to the removal of unauthorized encroachment from the land of the public for department, my lord. But what happened, that rule is earlier mentioned by the Jilla Police.
Statements, my lord.
I have moved a writ application, my lord Justice Sampath Pal directed the Jilla Police to take steps and take decision in the police. Then in terms of the said order, the authority issued notice for field inquiry. My lord, kindly see for a moment, page 27, my lord.
Page.
27.
Yes.
The Jilla Police are also present. The engineering engineer also present, and the BLR also present. After
Yes.
measurement, it was detected that they have encroached the unauthorized.
So where is that?
Then, my lord, the Jilla Police what said that we are not maintaining. The PWD also saying we are not maintaining. Then I have made an application under right to information before the Purto Daptor and the Jilla Police. My lord, kindly see for a moment, page 31. Jilla Police has given reply that we are not maintaining that road in question.
Yes.
Last line, which is not under the jurisdiction of Paschim Midnapur Jilla Police.
Yes.
Then, my lord, kindly see the next page 33. It was issued by the superintendent engineer and project director, project implementation unit 1 public source roads director. They are saying the name of the work Narajol to Daspur road from such and such Kimi, widening and strengthening working under Midnapur Highway Division in the district of Paschim Midnapur. Then, my lord, what happened? We have made an application before the PWD authority. But after receiving our application, kindly see my lord page 37 and 38.
Yes.
পশ্চিমবঙ্গ সরকার প্রকল্পের নাম মেদিনীপুর উচ্চসড়ক ভূমি ভুক্তির অধীন নারাজল হইতে দাসপুর রাস্তার 8 কিমি হইতে 14.5 কিমি পর্যন্ত প্রশস্তীকরণ ও দৃঢ়ীকরণ পূর্ত দপ্তর সড়ক। Then next page also same minor মিদনাপুর হাইওয়ে ডিভিশন।
Yes.
Then I have made an application before the executive to take steps according with law. Then my lord, kindly see the reply for a moment, page 48, written by the assistant engineer to the petitioner. Sir, the undersigned would like to inform you that about your application regarding removal of encroachment at Mouja Samsandapur jail number such and such beyond the jurisdiction of the office of the assistant engineer Ghatal Highway Subdivision PWD Directorate. Then my lord, kindly see the Bengali vernacular বিষয়টি আপনার ভালোভাবে বোধগম্য হওয়ার জন্য সাদা বাংলায় নিচে চিঠি লিখে দিলাম, আশা করি ভালো করে বুঝতে পারবেন। আপনার আরটিআই পিটিশন উত্তর দিতে আমাকে নিষেধ আছে। দেন মাই লর্ড কাইন্ডলি স্টার মার্কস বর্ষিয়ার নেতা শ্রীযুক্ত সুকুমার পাত্র বাবুর নির্দেশ মোতাবেক বর্তমান আমার অফিস তেমাখানি থেকে পূর্বমুখী মামুদপুর পর্যন্ত 5 কিমি জেলা পরিষদ রাস্তাটি দেখভাল করে চলছি। সুতরাং তেমাথানি থেকে উত্তরমুখী ধরমপুর ও শামসন্দপুর মৌজার উপর দিয়ে থাকা দাসপুর পর্যন্ত দাসপুর নারাজল রোডের 2.8 কিমি অংশটি আমার দপ্তরের অধীনে হলেও বর্তমান আমি দেখভাল করি না। পুরানয়নপুর তেমাথানি থেকে পূর্বমুখী জেলা পরিষদ 5 কিমি রাস্তাটি আমি দেখভাল করার জন্য সাংসদ প্রতিনিধি শ্রীযুক্ত সুকুমার পাত্রবাবুর নির্দেশে ওই জেলা পরিষদের কথা মতো সুরা নারায়ণপুর তেমাথানি থেকে উত্তরমুখী ধরমপুর শ্যামচন্দ্রপুর মৌজার উপর দিয়ে থাকা দাসপুর পর্যন্ত দাসপুর নারাজল রোডে এত কিমি অংশটি বর্তমান পশ্চিম মেদিনীপুর জেলা পরিষদ দেখছেন। Then kindly mind is to see the second letter, page 50 minor.
Yes.
মহাশয়, এত দ্বারা তোমাকে যে জরুরিভাবে জানানো হচ্ছে যে পূর্ত সড়কের দপ্তরের অধীনে ঢাকা দাসপুর নাড়াজল রোডে শ্যামচন্দ্রপুর, দাসপুর, ধরমপুর, সুরানয়নপুর ও হরিরামপুর মৌজায় এলে কেস নাম্বার, এলে ও ম্যাপ, এলে যাবতীয় প্রয়োজনীয় কাগজপত্র তোমার হাতে দিবাত্তরে পশ্চিম মেদিনীপুর স্পেশাল ল্যান্ড অ্যাকুইজিশন অফিসার ও এলে অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট ডাইরেক্টর শ্রী পার্থ সারথী রায় মহোদয়ের নির্দেশে ও উপদেশে ক্রমে এবং ঘাটাল পূর্ত সড়ক দপ্তরের অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট ইঞ্জিনিয়ার শ্রী সুভাষিস প্রামাণিকের অনুমতি ক্রমে আগামী ইংরেজি 6/12/2025 তারিখ সন্ধ্যা 7 ঘটিকায় পূর্ত সড়ক দপ্তরে দাসপুর সাব অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট ইঞ্জিনিয়ার, দাসপুর হাইওয়ে সেকশন অফিসের নতুন ভবনের ভিতর একটি শান্তিপূর্ণ ও সুষ্ঠু আলোচনা সভার আয়োজন করা হয়েছে। পশ্চিম মেদিনীপুর স্পেশাল ল্যান্ড অ্যাকুইজিশন অফিসার ও পশ্চিম মেদিনীপুর ভূমি আধিকার মহোদয়ের অনুমতি উপদেশক্রমে এই আরটিআই দরখাস্তের তথ্য দেবার বিষয়ে আলোচনা সভায় সভাপতিত্ব করবেন দাসপুর 1 নম্বর পঞ্চায়েত সমিতির সভাপতি মানে সাংসদ প্রতিনিধি মাননীয় শ্রীযুক্ত সুকুমার পাত্র মহাশয়। এছাড়া উপস্থিত থাকবেন বিশিষ্ট সমাজসেবিকা মানে প্রাক্তন দাসপুর 1 নম্বর গ্রাম প্রধান মাননীয় শ্রীমতী রমা চক্রবর্তী ও এলএও আধিকারিক ও জেলা ভূমি আধিকারিকের অফিসের প্রতিনিধি বর্গরা। উপস্থিত থাকবেন দাসপুর 1 নম্বর, দাসপুর 2 নম্বর রাজনগর গ্রাম পঞ্চায়েতের অফিসে মাননীয় প্রধান মহাশয়রা। তাই উক্ত আলোচনা সভায় তোমার উপস্থিতি একান্ত জরুরি। উক্ত আলোচনা সভায় দাসপুর 1 নম্বর পঞ্চায়েত সমিতির সভাপতি মাননীয় সুকুমার পাত্র, পশ্চিম মেদিনীপুর স্পেশাল ল্যান্ড অ্যাকুইজিশন অফিসার এলএ অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট ডাইরেক্টর মানে দাসপুর, প্রাক্তন দাসপুর 1 নম্বর বিএল অ্যান্ড এলআর পার্থ রায় এবং ঘাটাল পূর্ত সড়ক দপ্তরের অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট ইঞ্জিনিয়ার শ্রী সুভাষিস প্রামাণিক মহাশয় এর যৌথভাবে দাবি করা শর্তগুলো মেনে নিলে তোমার হাতে দাসপুর নাড়াজল রোডে শ্যামচন্দ্রপুর, দাসপুর, ধরমপুর, সুরানয়নপুর ও হরিরামপুর মৌজার এলে কেস নাম্বার সমেত এলে ম্যাপ ও যাবতীয় এলে কাগজপত্র তুলে দেওয়া হবে। আমাদের দাবি শর্তগুলো হলো: 1, দাসপুর 1 পঞ্চায়েত সমিতির মাননীয় সভাপতি শ্রী শ্রীযুক্ত সুকুমার পাত্রের বিরুদ্ধে করা অপহরণ কেস ও সিবিআই কেস তুলে নিতে হবে এবং আর কোনোদিন দিতে হবে। দেন সেকেন্ড কেস, দাসপুর নাড়াজল রোডে শ্যামচন্দ্রপুর, দাসপুর, ধরমপুর, সুরানয়নপুর, হরিরামপুর এলে কেস নাম্বার, এলে ম্যাপ ও যাবতীয় এলে কাগজপত্র হ্যান্ড ওভার করার পরে পশ্চিম মেদিনীপুর স্পেশাল ল্যান্ড অ্যাকুইজিশন অফিসারের হাতে নগদ 5 লক্ষ টাকা এবং তার ও তার কর্মচারীদের করা সমস্ত অভিযোগ তুলে দিতে হবে। 3 নম্বর, পয়েন্ট 3, বিগত ইংরেজি 2017-18 ও ইংরেজি 20 ও 21 বর্ষে মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রী মমতা ব্যানার্জির উদ্যোগে দাসপুর নাড়াজল রোডে 33 ফুট চওড়া করে সম্প্রসারণের সময় সুরানয়নপুর তেমাথানি থেকে ধরমপুর শ্যামচন্দ্রপুর হয়ে দাসপুর পর্যন্ত উত্তর রোডের প্রায় 3 কিলোমিটার কাছাকাছি অংশ পশ্চিম মেদিনীপুর জেলা পরিষদের নেতাদের নির্দেশে এবং মাননীয়
Yes, what is your instruction?
My lord, instruction, my lord. First of all, my lord, these are all unauthenticated copy, my lord. This is actually not the pad of the my lord, government office. My lord, primary allegation of the petitioner is, my lord, the private respondent who are not present herein, my lord, enclose the PW land. Petitioner, my lord, made application representation. Let it be considered, my lord.
Consider.
My lord, let the assistant engineer direct, my lord, if the land belongs to, after inquiry, it is found the land belong to.
I'm asking you, land belongs to whom?
In that case, my lord, I have to take instruction, my lord, after.
Instructions you have taken. What
After.
instructions you have got?
No, I have not taken instruction any, my lord, because, my lord, it is a simple case, my lord, encroachment.
A simple case, sir. You are looking at a simple case. It is not as simple as you are saying it.
If my lord kindly take, my lord, page
I'm asking you,
47.
which authority this road is under? Which authority? Please tell me. Please specify your stand and filing an affidavit. What is your instruction? Please ask the government pleader to come. Please ask the government.
Well, kindly, my lord, give us the opportunity, my lord, to take instruction, my lord.
I will give you time. Please ask the government pleader to come. Request him. Ask him to come at 4 p.m.
4 p.m., my lord.
Yes. Ask him to come.
Number 16.
In this matter, I answer the petitioner, Lordship. Lordship, In this matter, Lordship, I have served upon all the respondent. All the respondent, it is delivered. But owing to bona fide mistake, I mistake to serve the GP, Lordship. Only GP. Otherwise,
You have not served.
no, Lordship. Otherwise, all party has been served and it is delivered.
What is your allegation? Unauthorized construction.
Unauthorized
Mr.
construction.
Banerjee. Private parties served.
Yes, private party served, Lordship.
Yes, what is your allegation?
Lordship, that the widow, my petitioner is a widow, Lordship. She has a plot of land. She constructed a residential house in front of
You have an extra copy?
extra copy I have, Lordship.
Please give it to Mr. Banerjee.
And Lordship, I have filed representation to all the authorities and OC also, Lordship, Assistant Engineer, BL and LLO, Lordship, to take steps that they are constructing an unauthorized construction in front of my house. Lordship, that is the adjacent land to the PWD road to Amtola to Trimohini, Lordship.
Where is your representation?
Representation, Lordship, to the Assistant Engineer. My representation is page 29. They have constructed the shop room, Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Banerjee.
It may be considered under page 29.
29, yes.
Respond number 6.
The petitioner
Appeal.
But an appeal was preferred before the commissioner of the Bardhaman
Appeal was preferred.
by the petitioner in favor of the direction of this court. But that appeal was heard 1.5 months before, but no order have been passed. Now, my prayer.
Paying for early disposal of the appeal in terms of Rule 51 of
Pending before whom?
Divisional Commissioner. It's a Rule 51 of
Mr.
minus.
Banerjee is
I'm
representing
representing.
the order of
appeal is
the
not annexed.
ADM. The order of the ADM
Yes.
Order of
That
the
challenge.
That is under challenge.
at the instance of the petitioner.
Yes.
The challenge by way of
Order
a
of the
repetition,
ADM order dated
6th of March 2024 at
which
page
page?
35.
6th of March.
My lord,
When the appeal was preferred, appeal petition has been annexed.
not annexed.
What is this
It
order?
was hearing made on 21st November 2025.
Prayer for renewal, second renewal has been rejected. Mining lease, query of 1002 rules.
The petition.
1002 rules.
yet not received any instruction, but Annexure P3, that is in page 14, the Special Land Acquisition Officer, Nodia, directed to the BLLRO that kindly come to page 14, Your Lordship.
Yes.
That this is paragraph 4, Your Lordship. Thus, a total 0.04 acre has been deducted for Pramar Katiyan, whereas compensation was given for only such and such, resulting in an excess deduction of 0.005 acres. Since the mutation was carried out from your end, you are requested to kindly look into the matter and initiate necessary correction.
Then
Lordship,
what was done thereafter?
Thereafter, Lordship, I couldn't be able to contact the BLLRO.
Lordship, may I kindly come to Annexure P2, Lordship, page number 13, Lordship. I prayed for the compensation because nothing can be done right now because
Compensation has been ascertained.
Lordship, Lordship, may I kindly come to page number 13?
That I don't know, Your Lordship.
This
That
is
I
any-
have to
any-
collect the information from the BLLRO.
The competent authority is the additional district magistrate.
Lordship.
Heard the learned
Number 19. I appear on behalf of the petitioner, my lord. This is my
By Mr. Deman.
my lord. I am the my lord. This writ petition has been filed by challenging the action of Halishore municipality in utilizing my land by way of installing signboard over my property without showing any authority of law, or if any they have not disclosed it to the petitioner here.
Halishore municipality.
Yes, my
Who is appearing for the municipality?
I'm for the statement.
Have you
It
served
by
for
yes,
the
my lord.
municipality?
I have served.
Who appears for Halishore municipality? Yes. Now what do you want?
My lord, I am in a physical possession over the property by way of several deeds of sale deed as well as execution of will by my predecessor of interest in favor of my grandfather, and by way of deed of relinquishment I have become the lawful owner of the property, which I have mentioned in the paragraph 19 of my writ petition. That is the schedule, and paragraph 21 pertains my cause of action for which I have filed this writ petition, my lord.
Paragraph?
Paragraph 19 is the schedule property.
Yes, paragraph 21.
21 is the cause of action and 19 is the schedule property. Paragraph 19, my lord, and paragraph 21 is the cause of action, which I have stated, and I have annexed the photograph as well.
Yes, what is your instruction?
Madam, I don't know if I won't use. There is no instruction, my lord, taking some more time to it, taking
My lord,
instruction.
let them come with the instruction, but in the meantime, I'll pray before your lordship to
Answering
injunct them to
authorities,
not to take any
municipality.
carry on any unlawful act on my property, my lord. There's nothing, no acquisition proceeding, no steps has been taken, lawful steps has been taken. And one more thing, my lord, fact which is not there pleaded in the writ petition, which took place after filing of this writ petition, is that after filing of this writ petition and receipt of the notice, they started piling up the bamboos over the property. Pursuant to my complaint raised, they have removed it presently, but there is a existing threat, because the signboard is existing in the shoot schedule property of the writ petition, my lord. I shall file it by way of supplementary affidavit. My lord, even I have annexed
Current
the
record of rights.
current record of right, my lord, page number 115.
150 is the current record of rights.
Not current record of right, my lord. I have not annexed.
What
the
are you
current-
saying?
No, my lord, it's not current, my lord. It's not current, but it is the last
Other record of rights. Please
last
show
which
me.
I have.
How do you substantiate that you are in possession?
My lord, by way of this deed, as well as
By
my
way
lord,
of this deed.
my lord,
You may be the owner of the property. You may be dispossessed.
that is not the fact, my lord. That is not
Show
the
me
fact.
the record of rights, which may not be a document of title, but is a document of possession. Please show me that.
My lord, my mutation proceeding is pending, my lord. I have filed an
Your
application.
predecessors.
Predecessors, my lord, it is apparent from here, my predecessor in predecessor in interest of my vendor, where their names has been
Is this
mutated.
record of rights?
My lord, CS and RS.
This is RS.
CS and RS.
CS and RS both.
My lord, even if in RS, my lord, my predecessor
Show me.
names is apparent.
RS predecessor's name has been mutated. Show me.
My lord, my previous vendor, my lord, their name Rai family, my lord, Nagendranath Rai. My lord, initially one Horidas
Show me the RS record of rights.
115.
115 is not the RS record of rights, sir.
Yes, my lord. Kindly take up the bottom portion, my lord. West Bengal State Acquisition Act 44, pursuant to section 44.
115 is not the RS record of rights, sir.
My lord, kindly see the stamp, my lord. Subject to correction, my lord.
Where?
115. Bottom
115.
bottom portion, my lord, stamp. A record of right finally published under the subsection 2 of 44 of the State Acquisition Act. Bottom portion.
115.
115, yes, my lord. Bottom portion, my lord. The stamp.
100 and no, 113 is the CS record of
Yes.
rights.
15. I'm relying on 15.
115.
15. It's in the name of the Rai family, who were the initially the owner of entire scheduled property in the year 1921.
From Rai, how did you get this?
My lord, may I place the percolation of title, my lord? One Horidas Mohanto was the original owner. He in the year 1910 he sold the property, entire scheduled property, in the name of Nagendranath and Manmohan Ghosh. These are the
petitioner alleged
I pay for the picture.
Petitioner, yes.
Well, if your lordships will kindly not take me amiss, but I find from the writ petition that these are not pertaining to your lordships determination at all. The simpliciter money claim made in a writ petition.
I am aware of that.
Neither Group 1 nor Group 5 cooperative Malad it falls under.
I also considered this, that this objection may come. But while going through, because per se it may appear that it is a residuary matter. But while going through the similar matters, wherein my lordship, I did not have the occasion to appear, but lordship has passed an order. I'll tell you, lordship. No, yes, because it is
The
because money claim, because it is certified admit.
That to time bar.
That
I'll come to
lordship
that.
takes it up. This, but before I go into the merits, since this point has been taken up, now, my lord, the same petitioner in other, my lord, other tender matters pertaining to municipalities, other municipalities had moved writ petitions wherein my lord, lordship had passed an order which was taken up in appeal also by the state government. Lordship had passed an order which was filed in Group 5. My lord, this is the because those were pertaining to tenders issued by the municipality concerned. Now, this is the tender issued by the KMDA. My lord, Group 5,
It is
lordship
under
entered
Town
that,
and Country Planning Act.
lordship entered that, passed an order. State went up in appeal.
Yes.
The appellate court, my lord, passed on merits, not on this point. But lordship entertained is under Group 5, passed an order in money claim, passed an order directing monies to be released. Identical facts.
Yes.
Now, my lord, the state went up in appeal. The appeal court had also directed pass. That is on merits. But the fact is, my lord, this was filed by the same writ petition on the identical fact tender release of amount of unpaid amounts, certified bills. My lord, it was lordship entertained that on the Group 5 side because it was pertaining to tenders issued by the municipality.
Yes.
Now, this is the tender issued by the Kolkata Metropolitan Development of the KMDA. So, therefore, it has been filed in the lands Group 1 determination.
Yes.
That is this reply to my learned friend. These issues of your order.
Work orders issued by the KMDA.
In this writ petition, lordship is hearing. And on that, my lord, those were work orders.
Here, in this case.
In this
Or
case,
the KMDA.
KMDA, it's an authority under Town and Country Planning Act. Nothing to do with municipality. Even if it is something to do with municipality, Malad, not fall under cooperative. Nothing to do with land.
Possibly, I was not clear. My submission was in the identical matters.
It should be Group 5,
But,
Group 9.
But I will go to back. But my submission was this, that these matters, identical matters, were in the case of tenders being issued by municipalities, identical. Points are identical.
Oh, this might be Mr. Bihani. This was not at the motion stage.
No.
This was at the hearing stage, wherein I had determination, irrespective of classification, irrespective of years.
That I am not sure. That I have to take. That I am not sure.
Because perhaps in the
Because prima facie it should go to the residuary. But since this was entertained by your lordship, point not taken, when goes up in appeal.
point of jurisdiction.
Whether point taken, not taken, Malad, the point of jurisdiction with.
Yes, that point was not raised first. Second is, I think this was when the order was passed. The order was
3rd December
2024.
3rd December 2024. This was in
Ready for hearing.
Yes, this was ready for hearing.
Then lordship will,
Irrespective of classification,
then
irrespective
lordship
of
will kindly
years.
grant us leave to, my lord, correct the.
But that is one thing. But even then, I do not recollect what was the group mentioned therein. Because
No.
Since I had the.
But I am
determination for all
instructed. It was Group 5.
So it was Group 5 because
Because I tell you, lordship, if your lordship takes up the division bench's order, I'm not asking you, lordship. No, not only that, there is an observation in the division bench's order towards the end that since it is a municipality, so which has issued this tender, so therefore, and since it is a separate jurisdiction, a legal jurisdiction, so therefore this is correct. Because I'll not go into that. That observation is also there.
But
if your lordship is of that view, my
it
lordship.
cannot be of cooperative and it cannot be of.
That is what. Whether it's Group 9 or Group 8, I was not trying to go into that.
But very well, lordship will kindly grant us leave to correct. Globally.
Wait for me.
Yes.
আপনি কি পরেরটাতেও আছেন?
Yes. Call the next matter.
একটা লেখা আছে দুটো করে।
But item number 22 is concerned, but I have the instruction to appear on behalf of the cooperative society. But the thing is that
I appear on behalf of respondent number 1, 2, and 3, my lord.
Yes.
no copy of the writ petition has been served upon me.
I'm led by Mr. Pradeep
My
Kumar.
lord, item 22, as per presentation from matter will be appeared on 8th January. My lord, service is not completed. Kindly make it not this week.
8th of January.
Yes, my lord, presentation from, I suppose there is 8th of January.
January to be listed আছে দিয়ে দিলেন কি করে আজকে?
Well, let them serve a copy of the writ petition upon me.
Yes, my lord, in the meantime, I will serve everyone.
Serve a copy of the writ
Copy has not been served upon.
It has been submitted by the learned advocate for the petitioner that this ডাকুন দেখে পাস passing out, the file is being located. I'm passing it over. Please wait. Yes. Call the next matter. Yes.
Your lordship, on the last occasion, my lord, directed me to take instruction from the department. I have instruction given to me, my lord. Even just now I over phone, but the petition is working.
It's working. Where?
Sadananda, my lord,
Oh, this is pump operator.
pump operator.
So he has been his property was taken over.
No, property was gifted by him by
All
register.
right. So you have given him employment.
Yes, from since taken over the land, he has been engaged and he's working.
Where is Mr. Arifin? He was here.
Just now, over phone also, I talked with the executive engineer.
Perhaps for that reason they are not appearing.
Registered gift deed.
But to disburse the value of cost of agricultural land, and it's
He's claiming the land in respect of other persons. But in this case, my lord, the petitioner, my lord,
gifted according
gifted by registered document. Until the gift is cancelled, title has already been, my lord, devolved upon on the state of West Bengal.
আসুন Yes, 24, yes.
This matter, my lord, Mr. Gali, your lordship.
Yes,
Whether he
where
had
is Mr.
taken.
Lordship, Mr. Ghalib is on his legs, Lordship.
What do you say?
There has been one development, my lord, the Office of the Land Acquisition Collector, my lord, they informed us to, my lord, hand over possession of the plot number 246. My lord, we have requested, being the requiring body, my lord, we have requested to, my lord, allot one Amin so that 246 can be, my lord, identified and demarcated.
Yes, then
My lord, thereafter, my lord, we have not received any response.
where is Mr. Gali?
Instruction on its legs.
Ask him to come, pass over.
Great.
Yes, next. Yes,
Well, there is an allegation of encroachment of the PWD land. Well, if your lordship can touch up page 33, this is my complaint to the concerned authorities. That has not been taken into account. I have come before lordship for consideration and step on the basis of this.
stop the private respondent.
Everyone is all are delivered.
All delivered.
Yes.
For the statement. Yes. What is your instruction?
The instruction is if, my lord, it will be considered, my lord.
The petitioner.
I beg to appear on behalf of the petition.
I got the state led by Mr. Papun Mukherjee.
Copy to the other side. So the private respondent is there and shown from the affidavit of service lordship that received the same.
Yes, yes. What is
The
this
allegation,
matter?
your lordship, that the private respondent had encroached the PWD property. The petitioner made a representation to the concerned authority, lordship. Even after receiving the same, the authority did not take any steps. 71 is,
All,
your lordship.
Encroachments will be removed
All encroachment, your
from the
lordship,
state.
since, your lordship, that the road that was
Want all encroachments to be removed.
that encroachment
Yes or
which
no?
no, your lordship.
You don't want.
But the, your lordship, the portion which affecting, your lordship, to the ingress and
Yes, what
egress
is
of
the
the
instruction?
My instruction is that, my lord, on the basis of the complaint of the civil code, my lord, building is not stopped, my lord, and further installment not payment, my lord.
No, I
And
could
my
not
lord,
follow.
private respondent not any application before the authority concerned for sanction plan, my lord.
No, sanction plan. What sanction plan?
For the building, making building, my lord.
So you are nowadays started giving sanction plan for making construction on the PWD road. Since when? Since when you have started giving sanction plan for making construction on the PWD road?
I am for the state, my lord.
Yes, yes. That is why I am asking. You said that sanction plan has not been granted.
My instruction, kindly see, my lord, the instruction paragraph, my lord. Paragraph 2, my lord.
No, this is a different thing altogether. This is with regard to your allegation is against whom?
Private
against
Mangala
the
Santra.
private.
Mangala
Yes, your
Santra, my lord.
This Awas Yojana scheme is for construction upon which plot?
Plot number, my lord.
Whether the plot number has been mentioned here?
This is not mentioned.
Which plot?
This is not mentioned, my lord.
Allegation against
Plot number
plot
948, my lord. Plot
Nine-
number 948.
Where
Page
did you get it?
71, page 71.
Yes, 71.
It is my representation, your lordship.
Plot number
Plot number 948.
948 is his plot. 948 is his plot.
Petitioner plot.
Where is Mr. Mukherjee?
He's engaged code number 12, my lord.
Ask him to come. Pass over.
Yes.
Please take your instruction. Yes.
I am for the state, my
For
lord.
the petitioner, I beg to appeal, lordship. Made the application before the concerned authority. Concerned authority is the assistant engineer and executive engineer. Unauthorized construction in my Raj land. Totally
Unauthorized construction on your land.
no. In my Raj land on public premises, your lordship.
Your lordship, Ms. Monica is appearing for the National Highway Authority, your lordship. Can you make it not
National?
Highway Authority?
Yes. You are for
I'm for
the
the private respondent, your lordship.
yes.
20.
Yes. What is your instruction?
Your lordship, there is we have been allotted this land. I have the documents. If your lordship may grant us liberty to file an affidavit, this land has been granted by us by the Babshahi Shomiti, and there is no encroachment. And nothing, no, no,
Which plot has been permission has been granted by the ব্যবসায়ী Samiti in your favor? On which plot?
31,
ব্যবসায়ী Samiti is the owner of that plot.
Babshayi Shomiti is the owner, and he had allotted that plot. Here is the
The
agreement.
allotment letter.
This is the agreement, and
National Highway Dag number is 117.
National Highway tag number is
117. Can you see the representation? Page number 29, Lordship, representation.
117.
117, National Highway Dag number. And
Representation at page
Lordship, 29, Lordship.
117.
Lordship.
New Dag is 112.
Lordship, 12 new Dag.
112.
112. Adjacent my Raj Dag,
Which is your plot?
2109, adjacent of my Raj land.
Your plot number is 2109.
Lordship, page number 27, LR record.
Page number 27. Two one zero
2109, Lordship.
2109. Yes.
Adjacent my Raj land. My lord, kindly see the date after page number 28 on hand sketch map. My complaint is, Lordship, on public.
Your name is Subharanjan Bhuiya.
no, Your Lordship. Sushil Chandra Jana, respondent number 9.
Your respondent number
9.
Sushil Chandra Jana.
Yes, Your Lordship.
But this deed you are showing, it is in favor of Subharanjan Bhuiya, not in favor of Sushil Jana.
Lordship.
Just a minute.
Yes. This is in favor of Subharanjan Bhuiya. Yes, what is the instruction state?
I am the Subharanjan Bhuiya, Lordship.
Subharanjan Bhuiya is the petitioner.
Lordship.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
We had been given this place on a rent basis by the Shomiti. I have submitted a document.
So you have given this document.
No, I have given another document, Your Lordship. By the Babshayi Shomiti, we has been allotted this land to do business in a rent basis.
No, this is only a, you are a member of that Samiti.
Yes,
No allotment has been made by this.
This is the only
Samiti
document.
allotment
This is the only document we have. This is the
does not give you any allotment of any plot. You are only a member. Give you any right to encroach upon the public road. Yes, what is your instruction?
National Highway Authority is the appropriate authority to take action on this.
Yes.
Lord, I have to take instruction on this matter.
Yes, call the next matter.
देख लो
I am for the street response number 2. National Highway Act, the land has been acquired.
Yes. Yes, now what do you want?
I dispute the compensation amount. By disputing this, I previously made.
3G5.
Yes. So,
You have gone to
I
3G5.
did not. I tell you,
Before 3G5.
I just one thing, before this is the second round of litigation. Previously, when I came before this honorable court, there was a direction for consideration of their presence.
Who will consider?
Well, I tell you, Lordship, thereafter what happened?
Who will consider?
There was an order that was passed basically.
I'm asking you who will consider?
The authority, the
Kala.
CAL authority, was directed to be.
Kala determined the compensation.
What happened in
then
that?
He will again consider.
No, I am not.
There's only provision for arbitration, Lordships.
May I just make my
arbitration is before the authority on the 3G5. Approach on the 3G5.
I just request your Lordship, what happens here in that particular good, bad, indifferent manner that was sent, and my lord, it came that the actual land use is completely different than what I am being awarded with the compensation. So my lord, that
what has been done? Reduced?
Not reduced, my lord. It was said that I am entitled to get the compensation as Aush. But in fact, my lord, that it is their document which is annexed in the writ petition also, that my land use are, my lord, somewhere it is VT, somewhere it is industry. So my lord,
please show me the order. Initial order passed by the Kala. Initial first order. Thereafter, you made a representation for redetermination.
Yes.
You approach this court, then reconsideration.
Yes.
Those are futile exercise after all. But please show me the
now my
initial order.
prayer before your Lordship that I should be, my lord, with all this, my lord, I should be relegated to arbitration on. This is my prayer also today.
What prevented you from going before the arbitration?
Because
there was no necessity to come before this court.
Now,
no liberty is necessary.
as I, my lord, addressed your Lordship, good, bad, indifferent, my lord, I came and I just obtained this.
Yes, that you did. So
And
now
thereafter,
you
my
could
lord,
have approached the arbitrator.
Since unless, my lord, if there's a direction from this honorable court to
Why?
go to the arbitration, because there has been a proceeding
That
already.
gives you that right.
Because there has been a proceeding already there before your Lordships by this writ petitions ordered earlier and all.
You invited that.
Yes, I did. Yes.
Yes.
So, my lord,
show me the initial order passed by Kala.
50. Oh, I'm sorry. My lord, 55 and 67 comes once.
50?
55, man. No, 55.
No, 55 is with your representation. Show me the initial award passed by the Kala.
My lord, I tell you, Lord. Page number 103 to 106, my lord says.
103.
Yes.
103 to
106.
Annexure P7, Lordship.
103 to 106. So this was the initial order.
Yes.
This order was passed on
7th August 2025.
Where do I get the date?
Lordship, on page 104, amount compensation amount, second office Krishnagar, next time 12 noon, thereafter 7th August
What is
2000.
the date of this? Oh, 7th of August. 7th of August is the date of payment. Payment time. Where is the date of the award? Now, what happened after that?
But in this particular proceeding, my lord, I was given with there is a written statement that is filed by the NHI authority, which discloses that the land use is different than what is being reflected from the ROR. That document is also there. If I could invite your lordship to.
Where is the order passed by this court?
That I am not being able to find out, your lordship.
You have not annexed that?
But yes, my lord, I did not.
Where is that?
I did not, my lord. I also
Show me
my lord,
the
could not
order.
found. আমিও দেখতে পাচ্ছি না কিন্তু। I'm sorry, my lord. I cannot, my lord, take your lordship to that order. I find it is not annexed.
Now you want to challenge which order?
My lord, I say that if your lordship kindly sees page number 77 once.
77.
77.
Yes.
My lord, that your lordship will find page number 77, my lord, is the statement of the defense.
No, you want to challenge which order before the arbitrator?
My lord, the compensation that has been awarded to me that your lordship
Where
has
is
seen.
that?
That the 103 to 106, my lord. And my lord, page number 157 also, if I request your lord.
106.
103 to 105, sorry.
ওটা তো ইয়ে
Page missing.
This is the payment notice.
Payment
This is
notice,
not
Lordship.
the,
No.
Compensation award. Where is that order?
Probably this 99.
It's many documents, but the relevant documents have been left out.
My lord, I'm sorry, my lord. Yes, my lord, page number 97 onwards, my lord, page number 98, my lord, sees.
That is the order.
Yes, my lord.
23rd of August 2024.
Yes, my lord.
No. This is not the initial order. This is after the High Court's order. This has done nothing. Said to disburse the amount.
My lord, lordship is seeing, my lord,
Effective steps for releasing the fund as per the provisions.
August 2024. Yes, my lord.
Yes.
This is the order that has been passed up to the Honorable Court's order.
Where is the initial?
My lord, if I request your lordship only one thing, my lord, if I just could, my lord, come back to your lordship better prepared in this matter, my lord. Because I see some of the orders, my lord, are not there annexed before your lordship. If I just could come back to your lordship, only accommodation for one day, I just beseech, my lord.
One day, no.
Ashun. Yes. Yes.
Now, my lord, the small conspectus of this writ petition is, my lord, the petitioner was, my lord, awarded a mining lease, now, my lord, for a period of 5 years. Now, my lord, that was done on, my lord, July 2021. Now, my lord, that was executed on or registered on 9 July 2021.
My lord, I interrupted one thing, my lord. That incomplete copy has been served. After 100, my lord, nothing is there, my lord.
After
I am
100?
appearing for respondent number
The
2.
strategy, what is now happening?
একশোর পরে আর কিছু নেই।
তোমার কি একটা ভলিউম আছে?
হ্যাঁ।
ভলিউম 1 আছে শুধু। There are
Yes.
2 volumes.
And you have served only one volume.
That should not be. তোমার কাছে
আমার কাছে আছে, আমি
the
I'm appearing for
learned
state
friend
respondent.
has, but
I am for respondent number 2, my lord.
You have for the respondent number
2.
You have been given a complete copy.
My lord.
You are for the respondent number 2. Who is the respondent number 2?
the West Bengal Mineral Department.
This is the answerable respondent.
Yes. Yes. What is your case? Yes.
Now, my lord, the case is, my lord, after being granted the mining lease, my lord, which was registered in 9 July 2021, my lord, I was given in possession of the land for quarry, my lord, in 2022. Now, my lord, as I was only given possession in the year 2022, my lord, after a period of lapse of 7 or 8 months, my lord, I approached the authority with my representation. Look, you have given me possession after 7 months, so therefore kindly calculate the date, my lord, my commencement of the lease from the date when I was given the possession. Otherwise, I will be suffering business loss. My lord, this issue was turned down, my lord, by the authorities, saying that we cannot, because as on the date of execution and registration, my lord, in portal, my lord, it has been uploaded the date of registration. So therefore, from in the portal, automatically 5 years is if reflected in the portal after 5 years. So we cannot help. Furthermore, another thing was taken that in the my lord, concession rules 2016, under rule 5, it is stated that all deeds should be deemed to have commenced from the date of registration. So therefore, we cannot extend that period. Now, my lord, this is this short, very short conspectus. My lord, kindly takes up, my lord, the first, my lord, kindly takes up page 110 of the second volume.
110. He do not have 110.
No, I shall give an extra copy. But today I can give him. একটা copy kindly keep
The
it
learned
tomorrow.
advocate appearing for the second respondent.
Also, 31, I appearing for the state respondent, Lordship. Last date, Lordship directed us to file the report in the form of affidavit, Lordship. I am praying for only short extension, Lordship.
Without completing the acquisition proceedings.
Till today, there is no award so far me is concerned.
You have many properties, Mr. Rai. One property.
Me, my lord, we are the representing the client. Poor land losers running from pillar to post.
Yes. How soon?
Next week, Your Lordship.
On the prayer of the learned advocate for the state, time to file the report in the form of an affidavit is extended till January 13, 2026. Stop exceptions thereto, if any, be filed. 19th on or before 19th of January 2026. List this matter under the same heading. On January 22, 2026. All the Passover matter.
Oh. Next, Mr. Amit Pan is appearing for the petition. Due to his personal difficulty, left not feeling well. I am praying only for not today.
32.
32, my lord.
Who is for the other side? State 32?
Mr. Day is there, my lord.
Which is
Mr.
Day?
Mr.
Please inform him.
Yes, yes, sir. I'll-
32 টাতে না?
No, Mr. Day.
Not today. Yes.
No, I tender my unqualified apology at the very outset. I was in court number 11, my lord. That's why I couldn't remember.
Yes.
My lord, your lordship had a direction on 27 November, my lord. I should come with a constructive, my lord.
Further progress. Report as to the further progress.
Father, my lord.
Yes. What is the?
This is, my lord, that ONGC was you look at you. Online. ONGC was a requiring body, my lord. The acquisition was under Act 2 of 1948. Now ONGC suddenly says that the entire land was acquired by two LAKs. In the land comprising one LAKs, they said we want derequisition. So they preferred one application before the government authority that we want to hand over the land. Please take necessary steps. Now thereafter, my lord, the petitioner comes with one writ petition before this honorable court, saying that, see, the requiring body said that we don't want the land. Now the government, neither they have given us any rental compensation as contained in the Act 2, nor the land has been handed back to us. So there was a direction by a coordinate bench of this honorable court that, all right, collector, you decide the issue. So collector decided the issue and said, yes. Way back in 1982, they have already said, ONGC requiring body, that yes, we want to hand over the land. We want the requisition. So, and a reasoned order was passed. Before that, there was a contempt. On threat of contempt, the reasoned order was passed.
Yes, that is understandable. Unless
Yes.
there is contempt, you will not pass.
So now, reasoned order passed. Thereafter, my lord, everything stands still.
What was the reasoned order?
Reasoned order said, yes, it has to be derequisitioned.
Yes.
Rental compensation calculation has not yet been done. It has to be done. And derequisition approval and this interdepartmental procedure has not yet been completed. That has to be done. Reasoned order is part of this writ petition. So lordship was pleased to tell me that what is this? Your reasoned order has not yet been complied with. What have we done? So, my lord, thereafter I took up the matter upon getting the brief. So I find that from the day your lordship was pleased to pass the order on 27 November, thereafter, the development is that rental compensation calculation has been done, sent to the department by the ADM LR.
Where is the report?
My lord, may I file this report today, my lord?
Have you given a copy to them?
No, lordship, not yet, my lord, not yet.
Please give a copy to them. Yes, then compensation, the calculation has been made.
Calculation has been done, my lord.
Where is that calculation?
My lord, post after your lordship's order on 27 November, may I show the development thereafter?
Yes, yes.
Page 12 onwards, lordship. Page 12, my lord, kindly, this is a meeting held by the ADM LA on 28 November.
Yes.
In presence of all the representatives, including ONGC was a present, attendance sheet at page 1313.
Yes.
Then Millard kindly comes to Millard, page 14, Millard. ADM is writing to ONGC, requesting to hand over possession of 1.02 free from encumbrances encroachment. This was given by ADM to ONGC because now it is, so we want free from encroachment, hand it over to us. The government says this was sent to them by mail also, page 15 is the mail.
Yes.
And regarding compensation calculation, kindly comes to page 16, my lord. This ADM LA sends it to Special Secretary Department, Land Reforms and RR Department on 10th December 2025. So these are rental compensation. It is last sentence kind of necessary approvals. So it is awaiting approval. So this is the development, lordship. Rental calculation made, sent to the department for approval. That is one chapter. And secondly, one letter has been given to the ONGC. Please hand over the land.
Rental compensation is for from which period to which period? Mr. Galib, rental compensation for a land measuring 79 decimals from May 1976 to December 2025 is 11,046.
Taking the rate of Sali land as per per acre 4910.
This is the compensation.
As per Form 4B, the amount stands at rupees so and so or after.
You are also charging at that rate, I think, while letting out. That must be some basis.
Some parity, Lordship.
Yes.
Now,
From 76 to 2005,
this
79 decimals
this part,
is
my lord,
11,000 rental compensation.
this part, my lord, I have not taken in that. On what is the basis of calculation? Basis of calculation, I have not, my lord, asked, my lord. Since they were not doing anything, Lordship.
Then this approval has not been given. 11,000 approval is yet to be given from more than a month.
No, this instruction, my lord, I have received on, my lord, kindly sees, my lord, the forwarding letter is in your lordship's copy, my lord. Memo dated, Lordship. Forwarding letter to
So I think
4B
damages are to be imposed over and above this. It's the best thing, Mr. Galib, you can take, utilize a property, then after some time say, yes, I do not require, then pay 11,000 from 76 to 2025. More than 50 years.
So RB is telling me that they don't want Lordship.
Yes, yes. So, because you will not pay, you will take it from RB. You will take it from RB.
Yeah, RB will have to pay. So
Yes, yes, yes.
why they should be why they should be conservative in their calculation, I don't know.
That is what. So it's a very good thing. Take
No,
a
my lord,
property, don't pay compensation.
Oh, well, something
keep it
was
for more than 50 years. Then say, yes, we do not require it. Yes, pay
something
11,000.
was given, my lord. May I request your lordship to come to page 20.
Page 20.
20 of
Yes.
the bunch of paper, my lord, I have handed over, lordship.
Yes. Yes.
Something was awarded. May kindly see, my lord, date of right hand side top. Date of possession 5th February 1977, tentative date acquisition 2025, 16 December. 48 years, 10 months. It comes to 48,000 something. Now, my lord, kindly sees the 4910 into so and so, it comes to this. Less already awarded. At serial number.
Award.
This is at page, my lord. 18 and 19, my lord, award sheet. Form 4A, my lord.
Oh, this 80% was given.
Lordship. Lordship.
Not a single price has been given.
Minute. Total land value. Less already awarded.
All right.
I have served a.
See the color of the money, maybe a policy sum within some time. Within what time, Mr. Galib, this amount will be paid? Because it's a huge amount. How much time it will take?
Should not say, my lord, huge amount, lordship. Silly. Now, this was sent me at 12th December, lordship.
1 month. For paying, for getting an approval for making a payment of 11,000, 1 month approval.
And handover a position encroachment free, my lord. This, my lord, kindly sees the communication by.
Hand out about the position.
No. Page 14. Page 14.
What position?
No, we requested them to give us.
Yes, ONGC, what do you say?
Free from encroachment.
Pursuant to request to hand over possession, my lord, we have submitted a letter requesting them to, my lord,
in response to
depute. Yes.
Requesting whom to depute?
my lord, requesting kindly see, my lord, ED Basin Manager, MDA Basin.
Oh, in reply
lord,
to our letter dated 9th
to
December,
the
we are getting this reply.
ADM, Additional District Magistrate, my lord, we have requested to depute an officer and an Amin to, my lord, demarcate the property because long time has passed. It is difficult for us to, my lord, demarcate 246 amidst of all this.
Khalid, when you will depute?
So now I find this letter, my department, so my lord,
9th of January, depute competent officials, demarcate that. We were waiting from 1976. Depute the competent officials, at least let them get the property.
Lordship, may instead of one single day, may your Lordship be pleased to say between 9 and
So you want a
12.
double-digit figure
No, only from 9. Otherwise, my Lordship knows everything, Lordship.
from 9th to
Your Lordship fix kindly in between 2-3 days, 9 to 12 you fix one day so that
13th or 14th.
should be so 9 to 14th.
You
9.
are saying to give a
Yes, so that they can't also,
bit also.
they should not take an excuse also that we are busy on that day. So
I'm giving within such time
Lordship.
or
Lordship.
on or before, because Mr. Galip, it would be better if you give a fixed date so that all the parties are there. Then they will say we are not notified, we do not know.
Notice part, my lord, that
Can you serve them within this short time? They will say no, no, no. ONGC will say yes, yes, we have not checked up the mail. You will be saying that we have sent by email. Due to short time, we have
but my
not
lord,
served.
kindly appreciate my predict. At the moment, if I call them, they will
Date, you give a date,
will not be
I
able
will
to.
fix that period because I can give and there is no difficulty. But then you have to serve notice upon all.
Kindly give that also. They have to serve, my lord.
All right.
Kindly, my lord, direct them to serve notice.
So I'm saying that is to be done before 14th of January.
Lordship, kindly give that, Lordship.
So it will be up to you when you will be fixing the date. Ashwin.
By 20th, if it is, my lord, next by Friday, Tuesday week.
20th. All right, do it by 16th.
Lordship.
Only one
demarcation part.
Demarcation and handing over.
Lordship.
What remains after demarcation?
Some interdepartmental, my lord, might be there, Lordship.
What interdepartmental? He is you have passed an order of derequisition only to hand over the possession.
Lordship, let us come with the measurement, Lordship. Kindly, my lord. I will assist the court, Lordship, in this matter. I have taken, Lordship.
Because this, after all, the court is.
No, I am phoning personally the officers, my lord.
No, I appreciate your endeavor,
Lordship.
because on the very next day some steps were taken.
Lordship, I will.
Only for that.
I am there to assist your Lordship, my lord. I will try my best.
under the same heading করে দেবে না?
This report may be written with the record, Lordship.
Yes, yes, report is written with the record.
And my lord, our letter that we have
Be
submitted.
written with that.
Letter also written with the. Yes, Mr. Mukherjee. What is your instruction?
Instructions that according to the Pradhan of the local Gram Panchayat, that Mongol Chhatra, without operating a sanctioned plan, started construction on the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. First installment was awarded as soon as
No, is it encroaching upon the PWD road?
that.
Because his allegation is encroaching upon the PWD road. Even if a scheme, some amount is sanctioned, or
First
he's
installment
declared to
already.
be a beneficiary, that's a separate chapter altogether. But that does not give him a premium to encroach upon the PWD road.
No, certainly
Subject
not.
to correction by you.
Yes, yes, but that is there.
So, with regard to that part, sanction, without sanction, construction, you demolish, I'm not saying anything. But with regard to the encroachment,
Or that has to be kindly director local block land and informs officer to demarcate the area.
what's your representation?
71 years.
Assistant engineer and the block land and land reforms officer.
BLRO is the
So let the assistant engineer write to the block land and land reforms officer for making an the petitioner claims to be the owner of
15. I have informed Lord GP, my lord. He is engaged in code number 11, my lord.
Him to come. Yes. Pass over next.
Original 23.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir. I have
Have you
seen.
gone through the report?
Yes, sir. I have seen.
Yes. What is the submission?
Sir, the original plot holder is Rabindranath Rai. Original plot holder is Rabindranath Rai, but still they are saying that they transferred the land to someone else without any consideration from him, without any hearing or something, like without his consent or something like that. He's paid the taxes. He paid taxes till he was alive. So how is this possible?
Where are the documents for payment of taxes? Still
Yes,
he
sir.
was alive?
Yes, sir. Yes. Page 21. Page 21.
Page 21.
From 2006 it's unpaid. Before that it's paid. And LOI too exists. Page number 31 is LOI. LOI.
ট্যাক্স পেমেন্ট করা হয়নি সেরকম।
চেঞ্জ হয়েছে।
গভর্নর দিয়েছে।
কি করে চেঞ্জ হলো কারণ
চেঞ্জ হয়েছে মাঠ খসড়া এই যে
পজিশন।
Yes. Anything more?
Sir, the LOI thing. LOI. Page 31. Yeah. An RTI report saying that he is original plot holder.
Where is that?
That is in page number 14.
14.
Yes, sir.
That has been during the March first, and this is the present report. RTI report. আমি আপনাকে WhatsApp-এ পাঠাচ্ছি একটাই।
হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে মামলা করবো।
WhatsApp-এ এই রিপোর্টটা পাঠিয়েছি আজকে যে
হার্ড কপি কোথায়?
নেই একটাই কপি আছে।
একটা
Power of attorney.
আর ওগুলো সব দিয়ে দিয়েছি সবকে পাঠিয়ে দিতে।
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the submission? Yes, I am asking you. You are for the private respondent.
Yes, your lordship.
Yes.
Your lordship, as far as I have gone through the related documents, sir, here it is mentioned in the report, the second paragraph, that in terms of existing government policy, freehold right and title deed may be executed only in favor of displaced person.
He was displaced person.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Who is in effective possession of an urban plot or a part thereof with a structure on a portion of it as his own as allotee or orpon patro holder regularized quarters on land belonging to state government in the R&R department. So during the survey here also it is written that in third para that the the ownership of the plot lies with the government and squatting and desertion. In same 1970, I think that
As per the
as per the record 1970 it was the name of Rabindranath Rai was mentioned, but later he was not there. In place of him, Kanailal Rai, his brother and sister Kanailal Rai and Vijay Rai was there.
How are you getting that he was not there?
Why are you quarreling?
Okay.
Let him make his submission.
Sorry, sir.
So now the okay, in record, as far as I have seen the record, the name of Kanailal Rai and Vijay Rai has been mentioned, and for whom I am representing are the sons of Vijay Rai and son no, Tirthankar Rai.
They are what niece? Nephew.
Of Vijay Rai, sons Vijay Rai ছেলে তো
না,
বিয়ে হয়নি, বিজয় রায় আনম্যারিড,
এর মধ্যে
তীর্থঙ্কর রায় এদেরকে বিক্রি করেছে।
Not taking instruction from your client. you are asking.
No, actually it
Yes.
In 1970, in the original allotment, Rabindranath name was there.
In the original allotment, where is the Xerox
But
copy of
in the records,
Where is the Xerox copy?
yes, এটা কবে এটা কবে?
The handover.
Oh, you have given on the.
Yes, last occasion.
The copy was handed.
It's the report.
Big page.
কপি দেওয়া ছিল ওখানে
Extra নেই তো ওখানে?
একটাই আছে।
You have another copy?
হ্যাঁ।
মানে kindly see serial number 593.
Serial number 593,
Yeah.
yes.
Sri Rabindranath Rai.
Yes.
Then Manar in nine. Manar
This is the certified copy. Original
certified copy, but deed was executed on the basis of the possession in 1988. Manar kindly see Kanai Rai and Srimati Bijoya Rai.
So this was in 88.
13th, 1988.
No, initial Mr. Mukherjee, Rabindranath Rai's name was recorded when?
In 1970.
Where do I get that date? 1970 date?
Date কোনো
no.
71 72 ভলিউম না না এটা শিডউল এইটা ছিল যখন আফটার ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্স
After when they came from the Bangladesh, sorry, East Pakistan.
No, this as against 593 left hand column, what is the date when you have recorded the name of Rabindranath Rai? What is the date?
না ওটা তো অরিজিনালেও ছিল না এই যে 88
There the date is not mentioned.
No, data now. But when they came from East Pakistan, this land was allotted to Rabindranath.
84 থেকে স্টার্ট
Yes.
88 এ গিয়ে রেজিস্টার
Then
How could you change this allotment?
No. On the basis of the possession, deed was executed. Policy of the government, who must be in the possession.
So the deed was executed in the name of Rabindranath Rai?
No, deed was executed in the name of Kanai Rai and Srimati Bijoya Rai.
as per field
Son of Bojendra Chandra Rai.
The municipal records also.
No, initially it was in the village area. Then subsequently it came as a
Everywhere in the municipal records also the name of Rabindranath Rai is appearing.
Mutation করেনি
they have not applied for mutation.
So initially it was recorded in the name of Rabindranath Rai.
Yes.
So deed was executed in the name of Rabindranath
No,
Rai.
it was executed in the name of Kanai Rai and Srimati Bijoya Rai.
So how could you change this allotment from Rabindranath to
On the basis of the possession, when government was going to allot land, freehold land,
Yes.
government taken decision to execute a deed on the basis of a possession. It was found that Kanai Rai and Srimati Bijoya Rai was possession of the land.
as per the report
Yes.
আজকে যে রিপোর্ট আমরা ফাইল করেছি
And that deed was registered on
88
just one second.
এই যে এইখানে হচ্ছে গভর্নর
Registered registered on
as per this is the
registered number B2216 of 88.
স্যার একটা কথা বলবো
Yes.
বলছি যে উনি
একটু ওয়েট করুন।
this is
সবাই যদি একসঙ্গে বলেন কারোর কথাটাই বুঝতে পারবো না।
this is the registered
Yes.
first page দেখতে বলুন এটা first page
Can I kindly see the first page?
this is the registered and আর এইটা হচ্ছে
Which page?
This document, first page,
Yes.
C colony, type copy, serial number 593.
Type copy, yes.
Yeah, name
Yes.
of the original plot holder, Rabindranath Rai, son of late Bojendolal Rai, EP number 575, special number, CS plot number 804,
CS block
CS plot, then Manad area, then boundaries, then remark. Registered on, registered B2216 of 88.
previously এইটা হচ্ছে ওদের নামে হয়েছে যখন ফ্রি হোল্ডার দেওয়া হয় that is 84 thereafter it came to
So Rabindranath and Kanai, both of them were sons of Brojendral Rai.
Yes,
and daughter also that is the
daughter also. Srimati Bijoya Rai,
Yes.
Bijoya Rai also daughter of Bojendolal.
Brojendral Rai had two sons and one daughter.
One daughter. If they were agreed by this order action of 1988, they could have challenged immediately 1988, 89, 90.
I mean, Rabindranath Roy should challenge, na?
Or Rabindranath Roy should put up challenge.
In the 2024, they are.
1988, Rabindranath Roy was alive. He died when?
1999.
1999.
আসলে ব্যাপারটা এরকম হয়েছে, আমি যদি একটু বলতে চান আমি বলি তাহলে।
He was
উনি অফিসে
challenged
গেছেন,
when his own name
আর
was
থেকে
not
হতে পারে,
recorded.
আর থেকে লোক গেছে গিয়ে পায়নি ওনাকে।
ওনার
এ-
ভাই বোনের নাম
ভাই বোন তো মানে বুঝতেই পারছেন আপনি কিরকম, মানে উনি বলে দিয়েছে আমরা থাকি বাস।
উনি
এরকম
থাকেন না, তার প্রমাণ কি
উনি
করে
ওখানে
আসলেন যে
থাকতেন।
উনি তো
ওখানে তো
উনি
তো
ওখানে
মিউটেড
যেতেন অফিস থেকে, উনি একবার
কর্পোরেশনে।
একবার থাকতেন একবার ওই বাড়িতে থাকতেন।
আমাদের রিপোর্টে
আমার মা আলাদা থাকতো,
ওখানে লিজ
আমি বাড়ি।
নিতে পারে আমাদের
এই জন্য
রিপোর্টে দেখুন
আমিও থাকতাম ওখানে।
আমাদের
এটাই তো আসল
Have you annexed the death certificate of
Yes, sir.
where is that?
Obviously. আমাদের report কোথায় গেল?
অফিস যাবে না তাহলে তো সে
বলছি বলছি এক সেকেন্ড দাঁড়াও। 30 পেজ নাম্বার 30 অ্যানেক্স স্যার
নিউ স্যার হাওড়া পুলিশ
Page
পেজ 30
page
30
30.
হুম 30
the writ petition. Rabindranath Roy in the 2024
What are the-
page 30.
30.
Please. This is the death certificate of Rabindranath Roy. Date of death 27/1/99.
99. What is the address of this property?
কোন প্রপার্টি?
2/2 52A
2/2.
52A ইকোলজি।
And where are you now residing?
7 অজন্তা রোড 7 অজন্তা রোড রাইট নাও।
We follow the address.
7 Ajanta Road.
We follow.
And where is B5 Survey Park?
দ্যাট ওয়াজ
ওটা
মাদার্স।
আগে মানে ছিলাম আর কি, ওখানে আগে ছিলাম।
Since when?
ওটা 2005 ছিলাম ওখানে।
This is the past
99, the
RTI
death
did not
certificate
reach
says the
হ্যাঁ,
place of death
ওখানে
is in Survey Park.
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ ওখানে
Since when he was residing in Survey Park?
কাইন্ডলি একটু বাংলায় বলি।
সার্ভে পার্কে উনি কবে থেকে ছিলেন রবীন্দ্রনাথ রায়?
একদম সেই 81 থেকে
81 থেকে সার্ভে পার্কে ছিলেন।
উনি ওখানে এসে যেতেন আসতেন মানে
হ্যাঁ, হ্যাঁ।
শ্রীকরণী তো থাকতেন।
এখানেও থাকতাম, আমি তো বললাম এখানেও থাকতাম ওখানেও থাকতাম।
ওয়াইফের সঙ্গে যখন থাকার হতো তখন ওয়াইফের সঙ্গে থাকতো, বা ব্যান মানে সিস্টারের সঙ্গে যখন থাকার হতো তখন সিস্টারের সাথে।
সেই জন্য মা আলাদা, উনি নিউজ সেক্রেটারিতে চাকরি করতেন, আলাদা বাড়ি করেছিলেন স্যার। এই হচ্ছে ঘটনা।
ওখানে
Yes.
সার্ভেতে কখনোই
Yes, আর কি বলতে চান বলুন।
এটাই ঘটনা মানে
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে। Yes, Mr. Mukherjee.
According to the policy of the government, man, kindly see the report filed by the government at
Yes.
page page 5.
In the report.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, sorry.
Page 4 আছে,
Ah, 5.
মানে ব্ল্যাক পেনে বলুন
Page 4.
of our report.
Of our report by
The
Sri Dev
document
Prasad.
which you have filed today, no.
No, earlier. Dev Prasad Ghosh. Affirmed on 25th of November 2025. Policy of
Page
the government.
4.
Page 5.
Yes. Page 5.
Page 5, yes.
On page 4 is the
Starting.
starting policy of the government 20th April 1987.
Yes.
Guidelines for implementation of the scheme for conferment of right title to refugee settlers in urban areas in West Bengal. Then can you see page 5?
Subpara 5.
Roman 5.
Roman 5.
Whereas the lease deed has been executed and the leaseholder or holders have since expired, the surviving members of the family on record
Yes. It is where a lease deed has been executed.
executed.
So once the lease deed has been executed, whether in the name of Rabindranath Roy any lease deed was executed?
No.
So then clause 5 will not come into play.
There.
Clause 5 comes into play when the lease deed has been executed and the leaseholder have
then-
expired.
Then,
So this will apply in a case when the lease deed has been
expired.
executed.
Then,
So 5 do not apply here.
yeah.
Which clause will be applicable here?
No, can you see Roman 4? In case where the allotee or orphan patro holder regular quota is found dead, the freehold land deed should be executed in favor
That
of
is
the
also not the case.
persons exercising effective possession, provided such persons belong to the members of the deceased
So
allotee.
it is after death. It's prior to death.
In
You have
case
executed the lease deed when?
1988.
But Rabindranath was alive in 1988. So 4 also will not apply here.
But who was in position? That is our.
So 4 you are placing 4. 4 will not apply.
Ramana, assume
4 will apply if an allottee or an Orpon Potso holder. So you have to show that an Orpon Potso was issued in the favor of Rabindranath Rai was on that date.
Today's report. Those who are present in the.
For 4 to apply. So 4 was also not applied.
Those who present in the time of it. যখন তুমি স্মার্টে দিয়ে করছো
এটা কত রোমান লেখো রোমান 3 রোমান 3 রোমান 2 রোমান 2
Roman 3
মানে page 5 Roman 2 in terms of the existing government policy freehold right and title deed may be executed only in favor of the displaced person from East Australia, East Pakistan, now Bangladesh, who is in effective possession of an urban plot or part thereof with a structure or a portion of its own as allottee or for patro holder regularized quota.
Where is the copy of the inspection report, Mr. Mukherjee, to show that you have decided as to who was in possession? Some documents.
the report, today's report.
Assuming for a moment,
Mr.
no,
Mukherjee,
no, no,
officially you are deciding as to who is in possession. There must
no,
be some.
no, I'm not
record.
saying that. Assuming for a moment this execution of the deed is a wrong. For a moment, this took place in 1988 when the gentleman was alive. He could have informed the government. No,
There is the document to support this. That is one way of looking at it.
Well,
There is the
well,
document of possession. Because, Mr. Mukherjee, you have made an inspection.
Yes.
How these procedures are made. So some persons goes and inspects. There has to be a record of those possession of those properties. On
Nah,
the
this
basis of that, so for two to apply, there must be some foundational documents on the basis of which this has been done.
But this is the policy taken in 1987.
Policy, I'm not saying. Policy supporting documents. This is a policy on the basis of which, Mr. Mukherjee, according to you, X was found to be in possession, not Y.
What?
So, on what basis? There must be some document to show that some person went there, verified, and found X to be in possession and not Y. Where is that document?
But can that question be decided after more than 40 years or 35 years?
I'm asking you, do you have that document?
No, they said that one these documents from 1984, 85, 87, 88. What about the documents? Except these documents, copy of the.
Produce করেছিলাম copies. আমাদের রিপোর্টটা কোথায়?
And this, whatever the incident took place in before last 37 maybe years. We are in 2025. If there is no valid documents for granting lease deed in favor of X, in favor of Y, that question it will be very difficult.
আপনাদের কাছে কোনো ডকুমেন্ট আছে দেখাবার মতো যে রবীন্দ্রনাথ রায় সেই সময় পজিশনে ছিলেন কোনো
কর্পোরেশন রেকর্ড উনি যদি ইস্যুতে না থাকে উনি ট্যাক্সটা পে করবেন কেন? উনি ট্যাক্স তখনই পে করবেন না যখন উনি ওখানে
ছাড়া কোনো ডকুমেন্ট আছে আপনাদের কাছে?
এছাড়া ওই অরিজিনাল প্লট হোল্ডারের ওইটাই আছে আর নেই এটুকু।
অলরাইট, ইয়েস আসুন। Report for the petition. Where is Mr. Shivani?
My lord, the
Yes, Mr. Doctor, is a serious issue.
yes, my lord,
How is the brief.
yes, my lord, I have just had been able to.
That is why I gave
Lordship,
you trouble to.
no, my lord, I was addressing a division bench. I'm so sorry.
No.
My lord,
That's not. But
yes, my lord, I
issue for which
very serious issue. Page 48.
Yes.
My lord, this cannot be part of any government document.
No. That
This-
is neither here nor there. Maybe even if I accept that, but only thing is which is the authority, because there's an allegation of an encroachment of a PWD road. This authority is saying it does not fall within my jurisdiction because some political person has said that this is not falling. Even if it falls, say it does not fall. So these are the allegations made. So for that, I requested your presence.
No, my lord,
Please take instructions as to under whose jurisdiction this particular plot of land falls.
my lord, there is a my learned junior my lord in this assisting me. He says that he got in touch with the authority as an engineer concerned Ghatal. He said that Dag number 720, that part of it, that is 0.002 acre, belongs to collectorate, and the rest are in Patta. That's the information. Just we have got it.
So it's the which authority was saying?
This is मतलब the assistant engineer. Assistant engineer मतलब the Ghatal. Yes.
Ghatal Highway Subdivision.
Yes.
So let him file a report with regard to the allegations.
Yes, well, that's
Because,
possible.
because the allegations are very serious. Because
And the documents are, I'm told, these are all.
This document at page 48, which you are showing, that is also by an authority.
The assistant engineer Ghatal Highway Subdivision. And page 50 has to be a manufactured document. It's a fabricated one. Kindly, Lordship.
Who has manufactured this?
But that is not that is not appear. That the petitioner may say where from he has collected this. Lordship, kindly see page 50. Office of the District Magistrate in handwritten. It is never done. Page 50. Kindly see, this is page 50. Office of the District Magistrate and Collector, Land Acquisition Section. But it cannot be a document of the government. It cannot be a government document. So this is somehow it is fabricated. I would say this is manufactured. Kindly have a look.
Mr.
It is never done. Cannot be in the government document.
I fully appreciate but if you kindly come to page 52.
52. Yes.
Iti Dhonnobadante such and such name has been given. Partho Sarathi Roy. এর পক্ষে Robin Khiladi, Ele Kormi, and signature of both of them are appearing under your control.
This should be inquired into, Mala. This is something very serious.
Doctor, that is why I requested your presence.
I will look into it, Your Lordship.
Such a light issue.
Your Lordship, maybe rest assured, Mala, I look into this, and this cannot be. This has to be, Mala, the fabricated document. This cannot be.
Might be a fabricated document, or this person's may be doing something. Some signatures are appearing here, and the name is also being mentioned because
it doesn't bear any. Iti Dhonnobadante. Where is this authentication? There is no authentication.
I appreciate, but Mr. Dotto, what is troubling me is names of two persons, thereafter signatures. May not be in official pad, may not be in official letterhead, but these two signatures are there. You can very well verify because names are there.
Yes. Lordship kindly calls for a report, Malad. That will be better for me to assist your Lordship, because I don't know what is happening. This sort of, I have not come across this sort of document.
Because your learned junior was saying this is a very light issue, but I thought no, it's a very serious issue. Because if something has been made...
Maladi, in the name of the Honorable Minister of the State, Malad, there are...
That is why and
I've seen some part of it.
correct, then Mr. Dotto, you have to take steps against such.
Definitely, definitely.
And
Definitely it has to
if
be,
it
it
is
has to,
correct, even then, some steps are to be taken.
yes, yes.
Either way, incorrect, you have to take steps against some. Correct, you have to take steps
Yes,
against others.
yes, in both ways, my lord, some steps have to be taken because so that this sort of matter doesn't come to, at least to this court, honorable court. কি হচ্ছে ভাই, জানি না ভাই। কি হচ্ছে? হুম?
Where is the learned advocate for the petitioner? He has gone.
কে ছিল তো?
ভরত সীমাই না
মানে ভরত চন্দ্র সিমাই।
Yes, yes, he was there. 2 times it was called since you were
Yes,
engaged.
no, I was,
adjourned it,
I'm sorry.
He might have thought it's after
So
4:30,
this
it will
is-
not be called on.
This was my predicament, my lord, I couldn't.
Yes, Mr. Dotto, how much time you want? Can you come first with the instructions with regard to this? Then I think comprehensive order can be passed.
Very well, a week's time will, week's time.
Uh,
Hmm.
In this and please from your end,
I'll
make necessary inquiries and other things.
I
You know how it is to be done.
let me hold on.
You know how it is to be done.
Yes, yes.
Because-
Lordship,
And this, I request you to do it.
I'll personally look into it. I assure you, Lordship.
Yes. Can you communicate, please communicate to the learned advocate because he might have left. Please communicate to Mr.
Hey.
The mobile number is here.
Yes.
Please take it,
Phone call.
mobile number. The back sheet it is there. Please inform him that this order has been passed.
নাম্বারটা নিয়ে
বলে দিয়েছে না, ওর নাম্বারটা দিয়ে বলে দাও। it will be done, my lord. Lordship, thank you, Mr. Lordship.